Adam here at Fastnet Talent Group. I'm on the supply chain and operations team. I'm working on a number of process operator roles at the moment in West Cork, north of Cork City, and hopefully potentially in East Cork in the near future as well. I'm looking for anyone who's looking to either transition into the industry, looking to progress their career in the roles that they're in at the moment, and I suppose just grow their skills and experience, or anyone who's looking for just a general change of scenery. The clients that we do cater for would be the medical device, the pharma, the biopharm industry. So we do have a variety of different clients as well. If you're looking to kind of move in or looking to hear more information, you can contact me on 021 467 0641, or you can email me on adam@fastnettalent.com. Thank you.